Dosing is a difficult issue because the guidelines at the moment, as you know, tend to advise one dose fits all. They don't always advise the same dose. The US often advise 325 milligrams, and European guidelines tend to advise 75 milligrams. And that's always a hint there that we don't really know if there are these clear differences in practice. What we're lacking are trials, randomized trials comparing different doses. There have only been 3 very small trials, and they're now 30 years old, that compared higher doses with lower doses. And also, equally importantly, the dosing regimen. So should people take aspirin once daily, alternate days, twice daily? There's increasing evidence that perhaps in certain groups, people with increased platelet turnover, obese individuals, for example, that twice daily might make more sense than once daily. But again, we need trial evidence to really show whether that's the case. And there are 2 trials ongoing. There's a trial in the US, the adaptable trial, comparing 325 milligrams with a lower dose aspirin in secondary prevention. And then there's the Andaman trial, which is comparing in acute coronary syndrome patients 100 milligrams once daily versus twice daily. And both of those trials are due to report in the next 2 or 3 years. So they'll give us a lot more information than we have now. I think there probably isn't anything that we could say was reliable. There's some evidence that if you have larger body size, higher body weight, bigger BMI, you might well need twice daily dosing, or at least a higher dose, and that very low doses could well be inadequate. And similarly, if you've got a very small body size, the 325 milligram American dose might be too much, and that might inhibit prostacyclin and possibly even do more harm than good. But I think that's still work in progress, and the previous analyses need to incorporate the results of the very recent trials that have come out to see whether we can really work out what's going on. Is it body weight? Is it body size? Is it obesity? What is it that's driving these different patterns?